Nah, I'm about to open this up though. This thing literally cost me $12 at Walmart. Marnur mini massage gun. Your muscle relaxing power. What's that say? Portable for speed levels, 200 amp, long battery life. Of course, this thing's made in China. That's why it seems so cheap. Comes with a ball head, fork head, flat head, bullet head, and I guess the massager. I'm trying to see in China where it was made. Yeah, see, that says like Daobao Road, Dongchu Street, Lalu District, Shenzhen, Guangdong. Yeah, so this legit like came from China, man. I had like another massager, but for some reason, like I don't know where it came from, but like it legitimately like when I was charging it, it just like I could smell some smoking in my room or like burnt rubber. I don't know what it was until I learned like the next morning. The battery like just kind of burnt out, almost like melted a little bit. But that it actually messed up before that. Like the charging point. I guess this is the manual. Mini massage. Yeah, user manual. I don't think I'm really gonna need that. And this, I think, is a travel case or like carrying bag. No name on it. Feels like it's suede. Like legit, man. I guess it's gonna fit in there. Put it in there. And it comes with a bunch of accessories. Here it is. Let me get this up first. I'm not gonna lie to you though, for like $12. This like massage gun's like really heavy. I don't know if it needs to be charged yet, to be honest with you. There's a power button. This almost is as heavy as the last one I had. I guess you screw it in. This is actually different. Yeah, see the brand name Marnur. Whatever that is. Comes with these heads. The inside here metal, but these are like plastic. I guess you screw them in right there. This is yeah, let me get them all out, then I can say what they are. It's like a flat head. It's like some kind of fork head. The last thing in the box is this charging cable. I'm pretty sure that's it. Let's see. Let's see. Let me close this box up because it says what these are. Yeah, so this is the ball head. Feels like plastic with like felt on it, but it's very light. And then it got the flat head, which is just plastic too, like not even like real, like heavy plastic, not cheap, but. And then the fork head, and this is the bullet head. On my last one, it had this. It had other heads, but like, it was different. So I guess you screw it in. Right there, probably. I don't know if there's a charge on here, but yeah, there is. Yeah, that thing works just as good as my other one. Only this one doesn't burn out though. My other one had like heat on it. This one doesn't have heat. As you can see, like it has like a green power button. I think blue's the speed. I guess maybe you can speed it up. Yeah. Press it once, it goes up even faster. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Freaking nice, bro. Honestly. Use this on my neck. I mean, $12, dude. I mean, it feels like well made. I mean, the only piece that feels cheap is this plastic. The rest of it like, feels just completely well made, man. I guess you can go up to 3. Nah? I think there's 4 speeds on there, actually. Yeah, this is nice, dude. I would, if you can get that, go to Walmart, dude. For $12, buy this. If you want a massage gun, yo, I'd definitely buy it. And then 4. My last one had 3 speeds. Yeah, that feels good. No, I'm gonna try the other head. Let me see. I'm gonna try every head on here. Because that is... says it's the flathead. It also came with a charging cable. Just like USB to Type-C. And this is the fork head. Yeah, let's see. I think, you know what this is? This is probably for like your neck. You know, or like, you know, you got your spine. You probably don't want to vibrate the spine. You want to vibrate, have someone vibrate like, kind of up it. I'm thinking that's probably what this is. Yeah, dude, it gets going, man. I'm glad I got this. Like my other one looked almost just like this. I think it was Renfo. It came with a case and everything. It was just heated. The only thing that's different is like the tip on my other one was better, but like the quality, yeah, it feels about the same, man. I mean, for the price, this is really good, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go full blast. Try it on my neck eventually. I never heard of Marnur, but I mean, it's from China, so I mean, half the stuff you get from China, you're probably not gonna hear of. And this is which one is this? Ball head. Yeah, see, this is the only one that's different. Like these are just like plastic. The flathead one and the fork head's all plastic, but this is like, it's not rubber. It feels like felt. I don't know how to. It feels different though. I'm gonna put it on too. Yeah, this one's definitely like softer. It's kind of like, you can almost like barely, I mean you can feel it, but yeah, it's definitely softer. I don't know how long the charge is on here. I'd have to look on the book. I'm probably gonna look. Yeah, that's legit nice, man. Honestly, check it out. Then the last one. I only got one more. Then I'm gonna probably look at the user manual and like see how long. I guess you know, charges for how long it takes to charge and stuff like that. This is definitely good quality. The heads, like I said, are like definitely different. I had some other ones. It was like rubber and stuff. This is probably gonna be intense, I think. The bullet head. Let me check this out. But that's the only thing, man. I mean, it's not like solid plastic, but it's not like cheap. I mean, it still feels pretty good, honestly. Yeah, this is probably for like, I guess like real tense spots. You know what I'm saying? Put it on 4, and just like put it on like a knot, something like that. Would probably be good, I think. Yeah, man, this thing's nice, man. I'm gonna see like how much charging time's on here, and that should be it. And I guess it all just goes in this little bag. When you're done with this, toss it up in here. Put it in there. Probably toss your little pieces in here. See if it all fits. Get in there. Get this one in there. Get that one in there. Then probably toss charging cable. Tie it up. Throw it in your duffel bag, man. I think you'd be good. Yeah, I think that's nice. I must see if it says anything on here, like how long it's supposed to take. Please check. Let's see. I know everything that comes in here. Do not use it on the head, bones, or hard areas. So I guess it's just for your muscles. We do not recommend massaging a single area for a long period. Please stop using the product immediately. If there's pain, discomfort. Just want to know like what's the charge and stuff, man. Charge the device only with the original USB cable. So you probably don't want like. Do not put the device into the fire. It says do not put the device into the fireplace. Do not use the device continuously for more than 1 hour. To avoid overheating, stop for 30 minutes before reoperating. Dude, I don't think this is gonna last an hour on the charge. I mean, it feels like heavy. Yeah, then it has like instructions on here. I guess like where to use the fork head, ball head, flat head, and the bullet head. Do not use on the neck, spine, and other skeletal areas with little muscle coverage. Yeah, I still think you could probably use the what you call it. Move on and replaceable vibrating head, handle, settings, power. Let's see. Long press to power on, level settings, I know that. Says it turns off after 15 minutes. Maintenance, cleaning, and storage. Clean the device with a wet towel. I'm not seeing how long. It does say it has a 5.52A rated voltage. Battery capacity is 2,000 milliamps. The net weight is 0.718. Rated power is 15 WH. But I'm not seeing like how long you charge it for and how long it lasts. Other than that, man, I think this thing is good. Honestly, this is about as good as my other one. My other one just had heat. But honestly, it did not last that long. But yeah, if I told somebody to buy this for $12, dude, I would definitely say this is definitely a good product. So I'd definitely buy this for $12. Yeah, definitely I'd pick this up.